United Kingdom of Great Britain. Please, could you be upstanding? We want to see where you are. Wow. Sheena, you want to say you came alone? Now you know you lack quorum, so I will not ask my speaker to declare that there's no quorum in the House because you are accompanied by friends. The next to be recognized is the United States of America. The delegation from the United States of America. Please be upstanding. Can we give them a round of applause? Thank you very much. That is the powerful team from the United States of America. And you know, we have borrowed very heavily from them. We went this year to their national prayer breakfast. They were celebrating the 74th prayer breakfast while we are celebrating the 23rd. We want to thank you very much for coming, and we have borrowed heavily. I would like to request Mr. Von Vuyang to please come here so that he can bring greetings on behalf of all of us that have come from different countries. The next one is